You need to hear this if you're a nature lover who dreams of exploring without impacting our precious wilderness. Imagine walking through lush green forests and alongside crystal clear streams. To preserve this beauty, we embrace the leave no trace principles. Start by planning your trip wisely, understanding the area and its rules. Always stick to trails and durable surfaces to protect the undergrowth. Remember, pack out everything you bring in, from food wrappers to leftover snacks. Leave rocks, plants, and historical artifacts just as you find them. Instead of a campfire, use a stove. Observe wildlife from afar and respect other explorers seeking tranquility. By following these simple steps, you're not just a visitor, you're a guardian of nature's splendor.